If you've been waiting for Samsung to bring more Snapdragon-powered phones to its mid-range lineup, the Galaxy A36 might be the game changer you're looking for. Samsung has traditionally stuck with Exynos chips for its A series, but this time, they're shaking things up with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3. This move isn't just about raw power. It's a statement that Samsung is serious about competing in the mid-range market with better performance and efficiency. The Snapdragon 6 Gen 3, built on a cutting-edge foreign process, offers a balanced mix of power and efficiency, featuring 4 high-performance Cortex A78 cores at 2.4 GHz and 4 Cortex A55 efficiency cores. This translates to smoother multitasking, faster app launches, and better gaming performance compared to last year's Galaxy A35. Graphics performance also gets a notable boost thanks to the Adreno 710 GPU, making this device a solid choice for casual and even some high-end gaming. Whether you're into PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty, or Genshin Impact, expect decent frame rates without overheating issues. But the real win here is the AI-powered optimizations that Qualcomm brings, improving battery efficiency, camera processing, and even background app management. Samsung has paired this chipset with multiple RAM options minus 6GB, 8GB, and a premium 12GB variant, allowing users to pick the right balance between affordability and performance. Storage options are generous too, with 128GB and 256GB variants, and yes, there's expandable storage, so you don't have to worry about running out of space. But power alone isn't enough. Design plays a huge role in a phone's appeal. Samsung has subtly refined the aesthetics of the Galaxy A36, ditching the repetitive look of its predecessors. The phone now features a sleeker, more premium build with an oblong camera island that breaks away from the usual floating lens design. This small but significant change gives the phone a fresh identity. Holding the Galaxy A36 feels more premium than ever, with a refined finish and better grip. The color options are another highlight. Samsung has introduced 4 stylish shades: Awesome Lavender, Awesome Black, Awesome White, and Awesome Lime. Each of these colors adds a touch of personality, ensuring there's something for everyone. The display on the Galaxy A36 is another area where Samsung has stepped up. The device features a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, making scrolling, gaming, and everyday interactions feel buttery smooth. Whether you're binge-watching Netflix, editing photos, or just browsing the web, the vivid colors and deep blacks enhance the experience. And let's not forget Samsung's Vision Booster technology, which enhances visibility in bright sunlight, a feature that many mid-range phones still struggle with. Now let's talk cameras. The Galaxy A36 brings a 50MP main sensor with OIS, optical image stabilization, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro shooter. This setup delivers sharp, detailed images with impressive dynamic range. Low-light photography sees a noticeable improvement thanks to Samsung's enhanced night mode processing. The front camera has also been upgraded to a 32MP sensor, ensuring crisp and detailed selfies, whether you're in bright daylight or dim indoor settings. The AI-powered Scene Optimizer helps adjust colors and contrast in real time, making every shot look professional. Samsung is also introducing new AI-powered video features similar to what we've seen in its flagship S-series models, like AI-powered background blur for cinematic portrait videos. One of the biggest upgrades this year is battery life. The Galaxy A36 packs a 5,000 mAh battery, which is expected to last an entire day of heavy usage. What's even more exciting is Samsung's move to bring 45W fast charging to its mid-range devices. Unlike its predecessors that maxed out at 25W, this new charging speed means you can get from 0 to 50% in under 30 minutes, making it a game changer for users always on the move. Samsung has also confirmed that the Galaxy A36 will ship with One UI 7.0, based on Android 15. This update not only brings a refreshed interface, but also introduces new AI-powered features under Samsung's awesome intelligence branding. Expect smarter battery optimizations, AI-powered call screening, and an upgraded Samsung keyboard with predictive AI text suggestions. Long-term software support is another plus, with Samsung promising 4 major Android updates and 5 years of security patches. This means that investing in the Galaxy A36 today ensures you're set for years to come, unlike many other mid-range competitors that tend to lag behind in software support. With all these features, the Galaxy A36 is shaping up to be a strong contender in the mid-range smartphone market. It brings notable improvements in processing power, battery life, camera technology, and software experience, making it one of the most balanced smartphones in its category. But the big question remains, does it justify its expected price tag? If Samsung manages to keep pricing competitive, This phone could be the best value for money option for users who want premium features without breaking the bank. So, what are your thoughts on the Galaxy A36? Are you excited about Samsung using Snapdragon in more of its mid range devices? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tech content.